えて守りたいもの指でなぞった世界はいつも条件付きで優しさよりも強さを選べという逃げ道なんて最初からなくて前に進むしか残されていない一人で立つことが大人になることだと信じていた勝つたびに何かを失ってそれでも手を伸ばしたこの先にある答えが本当に欲しいものかわからなくても壊れそうな心を抱いてまだ遠い光へ走ってゆく
Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog! Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kanina habang papunta dito kasi nagmamadali talaga kami. Medyo kabado kami, baka hindi kami umabot sa 9 o'clock AM schedule namin. Pero thankfully, smooth lang yung biyahe. Sobrang helpful ni Google Maps. So tara na, samahan nyo kami sa adventure na to! Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog! So for today, ang ating ganap ay Harry Potter Studio! Grabe guys! So excited! Let's go! Hi guys! So nakapasok na kami sa loob and on time niyan is 8:53 AM. So the ticket is around 2,318 via Klook for adults. Si Talia is libre lang. Basta 4 years old pababa. Pero need niya ng ticket pa din na naka-indicate na free siya. So para hindi hassle sa inyo, email kayo sa kanila and check nyo sa website. They will ask your tickets and some info. Tapos sasend din nila yung QR code para kay Talia. Tapos, yung left side niyan is yung merch store, right side is restaurant. So, pinakagitna, dun kayo papasok. Ito, dapat sundin nyo yung time schedule nyo.
Concept art, of course, is very important. We start with minor pencil wheels. I would then do rough architectural style pattern animation and do that to the structure. Stuart, most of the time, even did a sketch.
Dali oh. Look. Dali oh, dali. Look.
Guys, so, nandito na kami sa loob. And guess what? Nasa painting kami! 'Di ba? Ang galing, no? Very, yung mga activity nila, ang saya lang. Tapos dito kami sa stairs. Gumagalaw siya. Ayan. So, let's go!
As you can see guys, sobrang nakaka-amaze sa loob. Kung ano yung nakikita mo sa movie, kuhang-kuha talaga nila dito. Lalo na kung Potterhead ka, tapos 10 times mo nang napanood yung movie, maa-amaze ka talaga.
Happy Christmas, Rob. What are you wearing? Oh, none like it. Looks like you got one too here.
Itong activity naman na ito is yung Quidditch game. Sumali kami dito guys and makikita nyo kung anong ginawa namin.
Slytherin takes possession of the football and actually passes to Captain Marcus Flint.
By the way guys, yung mga videos na ito, pwede nyo siyang makuha. Isasend nila via email. Sa start pa lang ng tour, meron doon QR code at need mo lang mag-sign up, ilalagay mo lang yung email address mo and makukuha mo na yung videos for souvenirs.
The quaffle is released and the game begins! He's got the snitch! Harry Potter receives 150 points for catching the snitch! Gryffindor wins!
Rare magic. It's called Satisfying. Reading. I didn't fully understand.
Siya pa noon.
What you see to my right and all around me, I correct you.
What's that? Are you making love potion?
このようにお話す言葉のございます。イエスを受け入れてください。ここは闇の魔術に対する防衛術の教室。知恵の3、2、1、エクスペリアンス。皆さん、素晴らしい、とても上手。ません。あれは山の印です。潜水艦が近くにいるようです。皆さん、戦う準備をしてください。呪文を使うときは思ったより早く来たようです。皆さん、旗に警戒してください。これはデスリーダーです。皆さん落ち着いてください。デスリーダーは危険ですが、皆さんワードコンバーと思いましたね。手を挙げ、一斉に呪文を唱えましょう。私の前で一緒にステップへ行っていきますよ。ステップ5！攻撃されてしまいました。次は皆さんだけでステップへお願いします。強く構えて。3、2、1、ステップ 5！ 切り手入れまでした。次はエクスペリアンス。試しに。エクスペリアンス！皆さんいい感じです。でもまだいらっしゃいね。皆さん大丈夫でしたか？デスイーターは去っていったようです。皆さん最高のパフォーマンス。
Dito mo na. Picture. Real look. Smile. Smile muna.
Mike, mas may look. Mike. May look type.
Ay, stand up. Ay, sige. Ay.
Nandun. Yay!
Guys, grabe dito. Very specific sila. Tignan mo naman.
This time, especially for you. This is where I leave you.
Ang galing. Grabe, kung fan talaga kayo ng Harry Potter, must try. Pumunta kayo dito. Aso! Cool.
Dali. Try.
Like this. Oh no! What will appear? Daddy, nagkakas siya ng Patronus spell. Ano yan?
Spider.
Oh God, ano?
Hagrid has never sent men into a hollow before.
Ano? Spider!
Go. I think not. My sons and daughters do not harm Hagrid on my command. I cannot deny them fresh meat when it wanders so willingly into our midst. Goodbye, friend of Hagrid.
Play? Want to play?
Guys, so ito na yung parang middle part ng Harry Potter Studio Tour. So paglabas mo, open area siya. Tapos makikita mo yung bahay ni Hagrid. Ayun yun. I think ito yung sa mga nakita ko sa mga vlog. After nito is may cafeteria. So let's go. Hindi siya kita. Hi! Say hi! Hi! Hi kayo! Hi! Pumpkin! Ang kulit to kasi talaga dyan sa pumpkin. Wala, baka mabasag ha. Careful tali. Halika na, let's go eat. Tapos, ito na yung ang tawag dito, cafe. Backlot. Tamang baboy. Backlot Cafe. After nito yung train. So, kakain muna tayo. Tignan din natin muna yung menu. Okay. Guys, ito yung menu nila. So, i-pause nyo na lang ha. Parang nasa 3,200 yung pinakamahal. Tapos may 2,800 yung pinakamura. Tapos meron sila mga desserts din. Tapos drinks. Medyo mahal lang yung drinks. Nasa 530 yen. Ayan. Guys, bumili pala kami nito. Ayan. Lagayin siya ng drink. Ang cute. Kasi wala naman laman. Ito kasi yan ayaw ni Tali. Bumili kami ng drink. Ito orange juice. Pero hindi niya type. Hindi kasi siya matamis maasim. Melon soda, cola. Tapos ito sana kay Tali. Belgian chocolate. Kaso hindi siya masyadong chocolate. Lasang-lasang mo yung pistachio nuts. Or pistachio milk pala. Sorry. Ayan. Bawal pala magdala ng drink dito. Actually, may dala naman kami mga baon. Pero bawal daw ilabas dito. Sabi. So, ayun. Let's wait for our food na lang. Guys, ito na yung food. So, we ordered pumpkin soup. Tapos, ito yung Hedwig na dessert. Tapos, we have yung Gryffindor plate nila na roast beef. And then, Hufflepuff na chicken. By the way, ang laki ha. Ayan o. Ayan yung comparison. Ito yung kamay ko. Tapos, yung chicken nila malaki. Sulit na din. Okay lang. Lahat pala itong order namin. Kasi kasama din to. 12,090 yen. Nasa 4,500 siya. Medyo nasa expensive side. Pero tingnan natin muna kung worth it. Kung masarap ba. Eh, mahal din kasi ito guys. So, ayun. Tingnan na lang natin kung masarap. Guys, kumakain siya sa pot. Pwede ba yung pot? Souvenir. Ang sarap. Potato na may beans.
Try mo.
Ewan ko ng beans. Rate mo 1 to 10.
7.
Guys, na-try naman niya yung pumpkin soup. Rate, 1 to 10.
Hindi kasi may sa matamis.
Matamis
Pero
yung
mga
pumpkin
7.
soup. 7 daw.
Yun.
Ikaw nung matamis na pumpkin.
Guys, ngayon naman tatry natin yung Hedwig na cake. Ang sabi ni ate doon sa cashier, ano daw siya? Strawberry na may banana. Ganun. So, we'll see. Ang ganda niya pero sirain natin. Tignan natin yung loob. Oh, ganun yung loob. Ganyan.
Hindi may lagayan.
Pwedeng uwi lang. Gaging di. Okay, first bite. Kayo muna. Oo man, hindi matamis masyado. Para matanda na talaga eh. Lagi yung comment, okay siya, hindi siya masyado matamis. Kasi guys, namimili ako kanina kung yung mandrake na chocolate cake or ito. Eh kaso nga, ang ganda. Dito tayo nakuha.
Try mo tayo.
Cake.
Maliit lang. Wala ba kasi?
Kali. Cake. Dami. Ayaw ng anak ko. Asawa ko.
Ano ba? Sauce?
Rate mo, 1 to 10. 10. 10 daw.
Okay, manet. Wala, hindi bakay. Ali.
Hi! Smile! Hi! Okay na.
Come on, dali. One, two, three.
Hogwarts Express!
Well, she had good. I only got one good jumping off to begin with.
Hindi, iba pala, parang maliit lang siya.
Like finished work, and then to his own marble effect to break up and also better. We then start to apply the powder it just tints the glaze and makes the glaze go a bit yellowy. Years, like I say, it's a great method to make it very bespoke.
We were going to create equal relationships because that's how I feel.
Konnichiwa. 私はエリバーです。今どういうですか
Hello again. Let's talk more for thousands of years.
Rehearsing with the puppeteers also helps an actor develop a very
Shake it.
The greater the intensity of the effect.
Wait, ano to? Gusto mo dala-dala ko?
Your house will be like your family. At the end
Guys, ito, ang price nito, 2,100 tumbler. Guys, Gryffindor cup, nasa 2,000 yen. Ang laki niya ha. Ang ganda din. Tapos, pakita ko lang yung iba. This one naman is, how much siya? 2,750. Guys, wax seal set, 4,000 yen. Pakita ko lang ha. Puro Gryffindor kasi yung gusto ko. Tapos ito, ball pen is 900 yen. Not bad. Ganda. Guys, love potion. Candy to, 1,000 yen. Tapos, itong frog na chocolate, 1,200. Lollipop candy, 600 yen. Guys, ang ganda. Happy birthday, Ari. Yung cake niya, this one, 6,500 yen. Tapos may sling siya ha, sling. Tapos ito, ang cute din ito. Mug. Ayan. This one naman, 2,400 yen. Ang ganda, guys. Kano ka? How much are you? 2,750 yung mahal nyo, guys. Hindi. Adi ka na. Guys, so dito na nagtatapos ang ating Harry Potter Tokyo Studio Tour. Ayan, so rate natin, no. Harry Potter fan ako, so syempre 10/10 tayo. Pero kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, I suggest panoorin nyo muna. Kasi mas maiintindihan nyo lahat. And mas ma-appreciate nyo siya dahil yung details nila, ang galing. Very specific. Basta ang galing talaga. So, kung baga yung flow niya, maintindihan mo talaga. So, ayun lang. And nag-enjoy kami. Super. And now, papunta naman kami sa Rio Puroland. So, abangan nyo na lang yun sa next vlog. Bye guys! Sana nag-enjoy kayo! It's 5 o'clock. Ito naman.
Kami. Ngayon na.
Ito na yung finished product.
スマホで猫動画涙目